Dang, it's hot in here. I gotta fix this. This is ridiculous. Alright, boys and girls, as you can see, there is zero insulation above the garage in the attic space on this house. Even though we have the mini split, that just doesn't really keep up with the heat outside. So I went out to Home Depot and bought some rolls of insulation. They're about $30 a roll. I know most places they say like R30 for insulation, but figured R13 would be better than nothing. I went back and bought some more to cover up some of the other rooms in the east side of the house because they get pretty hot. So if you never used this stuff before, it's pretty easy. You can just roll it out. I cut them to 6-foot lengths just to make it manageable to get up in the attic. And they cut with a pair of scissors, utility knife, anything really simple. So I would also suggest you use gloves, probably a respirator too, and definitely long sleeve shirt and pants because this stuff is going to get on you. It will make you itch, and it's not fun to be itchy all night when you're trying to sleep. So we just cut it right there, put it up in the attic, got the attic full. Now it's a big marshmallow looking thing up there. And the truth is it does work. It's made the air conditioning work less here in the garage, and it's nice and comfortable. Alright, boys and girls. So the bad thing about videos is there's no way to show comfort. Okay? I can show you the thermometer. And right now in the garage it is 76 degrees. I'm commanding the unit for 78, so it's actually overachieving right now. Alright? But I can't show you the comfort level. The thing is, before with just the mini split, it would keep this section right here cool. Over there, no. Over on that side of the garage, no. Over here in the washer and dryer area, no. It would not keep that cool. It would keep right here cool. It is now 76 degrees evenly and comfortable everywhere in the garage. Which, you know, like I say, they're $30 a roll. I think I used about 3 rolls up there, so 90-ish something dollars, right? We'll just say $100. It was definitely worth it. So I would say it was well invested. Like I say, now that the unit provides cool air for the whole entire garage. Now, the bad thing is this wall is not insulated. That garage door obviously is not insulated. And majority of this wall is not insulated because in the 90s they wouldn't insulate anything that was not conditioned space, and that's an exterior wall / walkway area. And then of course that side of the house right here is all conditioned, so that actually has insulation in it. The attic up in there has insulation over there. The garage did not. So it has made the garage usable, you know? I mean, it's Florida and we're like in the peak of it, and every day's been 95 plus degrees of like 110 heat index, and it's been 76, 77 degrees in the garage the whole time with that air conditioner. And that's only a 12,000 BTU 110 volt air conditioner, so it's not much bigger than a window shaker. Alright, so anyways, get out there, get your projects done. We're going to do this next because the garage door does get hot. So I bought enough. It should do the 2 middle panels. The top panels is, I don't want to cover the windows. I want some natural light. And the bottom, I didn't really think it was worth it because it's mostly sunlight that heats that up. I'm not expecting like R value, but more like radiant heat because you'll touch it and it is hot. So try and get majority of it, but we're not going to be able to get all of it. This was like $50 or $60 on Amazon, so we'll test that out in the next video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.